Picture this. You're sipping a €2 coffee on pink sand while standing on 4,000-year-old ruins. Welcome to Crete, Greece, where everyone else is burning cash in Santorini while you're about to unlock 5 game-changing secrets for 2025. From hidden beaches to ancient palaces, I'm revealing how to live like royalty on a backpacker's budget in Crete, Greece. Secret 1. Crete's best beach paradise. Elafonisi's pink sand isn't a filter, it's crushed seashells. Forget fighting crowds at Belos Lagoon. Crete's best beach is serving up naturally pink sand and lagoons so shallow you can walk to uninhabited islands, while Instagram influencers pay €30 for organized tours. Here's the move. Catch the local bus from Chania for €5. The best time of day to hit Elafonisi is after 4 p.m. when tour buses leave, and this cotton candy coastline becomes your private paradise. And the real magic, wade across the knee-deep lagoon to the island's far side. That's where locals go to escape the selfie sticks. Water temperature, bathtub warm. Crowds, non-existent. If the pink beaches blow your mind, wait until you discover the ancient palace in Greece with 3,500-year-old plumbing that actually worked better than your Airbnbs. Secret 2. The ancient palace in Greece. Knossos had flushing toilets when London was still a swamp. This ancient palace in Greece wasn't just ahead of its time. The Minoans were running the Bronze Age like it was Silicon Valley, with multi-story buildings, paved roads, and drainage systems that would make modern engineers jealous. They even had the world's first wine press. Ditch the €15 guided tours. Download the free Knossos AR app instead and explore this ancient palace in Greece at 3 p.m. when cruise ships sail away. Reality check. That famous Prince of Lilies fresco. It's 90% modern imagination, 10% ancient fragments. But hey, even their ruins need Instagram filters. Now, are you ready for some affordable Greece travel tips that'll have you eating like a local king for less than a Starbucks latte? Secret 3. Affordable Greece travel tips for food. Cafe Nayans, where grandpas play backgammon and meals cost pocket change. Waterfront restaurants are charging €25 for moussaka? Tourist traps. The ultimate affordable Greece travel tip. Find the grimmiest looking Cafe Neon packed with locals. Order dakos, Crete's answer to bruschetta with tomatoes, barley rusks, and creamy Mizithra cheese for just €3. Level up with Antichristo, lamb, slow roasted around open flames like medieval royalty. One €12 portion feeds 2 hungry travelers. Can't read the Greek menu? Point at what the old guys are eating. You literally cannot go wrong. This affordable Greece travel hack alone will save you €100 plus per week. Speaking of saving money, the famous Samaria Gorge costs €38 total, but I know a gorgeous hiking spot in Crete that's basically free. Secret 4. Hiking in Crete without the crowds. Imbros Gorge. All the views, none of the tourist parade. Samaria gets the fame, but smart travelers know Imbros Gorge delivers epic hiking in Crete without the crowds. At just 8 kilometers versus Samaria's knee-destroying 16, €2.50 entrance, and you'll actually hear birds instead of tour group chatter. This hiking paradise in Crete serves up dramatic canyon walls and wild herbs perfuming the air, and it ends at a beachside taverna where cold Mythos beer tastes like liquid gold. Best part? You can hike it year-round, while Samaria closes in winter. Your Instagram gets the same spectacular shots, and your wallet stays fat. Here's the million-dollar question. How do you reach these spots without renting a car? This public transport secret in Greece changes everything. Secret 5. Greece's game changer, public transport. KTEL buses, Crete's luxury coaches disguised as public transport. Rental cars in Crete will run you around €45 a day, and that's before you factor in gas and parking stress. But here's the better option. KTEL buses, Greece's secret luxury coaches disguised as public transport. We're talking full AC, free Wi-Fi, and yes, even a low-key wine-friendly vibe. Need to get from Heraklion to Chania? It costs just 13 euros 80 cents, and you get to chill on a comfy ride scrolling TikTok instead of white-knuckling the wheel through scooter-packed streets. The master hack for public transport for Greece's adventures. Base yourself in Heraklion or Chania, then day trip everywhere. Buses run constantly to beaches, archaeological sites, and mountain villages. You will save 300 euros or more weekly and arrive relaxed instead of stressed from navigating Greek road rage. Those are the 5 insider secrets that transform your 2025 Crete, Greece trip from tourist trap to legendary adventure. Pink beaches, Bronze Age tech, 3 euro feasts, secret gorges, and buses better than Ubers. This is how you do Crete right. Want more sneaky travel hacks? Smash that subscribe button before your competition does. Drop your biggest Crete question below. I answer everything. This is S&T Travel, and remember, in Crete, the only thing more endless than the coastline is the wine. Yamas!